Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use TimeChamp step by step. We'll cover time tracking, employee monitoring, productivity insights, and performance reporting so you can manage your team more efficiently and boost overall productivity. Keep track of how their teams are spending time, whether you are in an office, working remotely, or juggling both. TimeChamp gives you a clear picture of who's doing what, when, and how well. It is like having a productivity GPS that guides you away from distractions and toward their goals. The question is, why use TimeChamp? Number 1. Team's productivity. Improve team dynamics. Track productivity, optimize focus, spot trends, patterns, and tackle burnout with our TimeChamp's work monitoring solution. It is like having a personal trainer for your team without the sweat. It watches how your team works, helps them stay focused, and tells you when they are burning out faster than toast left in the oven. Goal setting. Set clear objectives and milestones to drive team progress and success. Team trends. Identify patterns and insights to optimize teamwork and collaboration, like figuring out why everyone's most productive right after coffee and least productive right after lunch. 2. Hybrid and remote. Seamless remote collaboration for hybrid and remote teams. Improve productivity with location impact, analysis, employee visibility, and remote attendance monitoring using TimeChamp. Whether your team is in the office, at home, or in a hammock in Bali, TimeChamp keeps track, minus the sand in the laptop. Flexible work locations. Work from anywhere with ease and adapt to different environments for enhanced productivity. Increase visibility. Get real-time insights into team activities and performance for better decision-making. 3. Automatic attendance. Streamline automatic attendance and time tracking for your team. Gain real-time visibility into work hours. Simplify shift scheduling and optimize with past data. Export attendance records effortlessly for payroll processing. Basically, it is like a super reliable punch clock that doesn't break or forget who came in late. Late arrivals. Automatically monitor and record late arrivals for precise attendance management. Multiple shifts. Manage various work shifts and schedules for a diverse workforce. Number 4. Projects and timesheets. Manage project and task workflows, track timesheets, streamline invoices, billing, and perform task tracking, make informed resource management decisions for enhanced productivity. Yes, it sounds fancy, but really, it just keeps your projects from becoming flaming files of confusion. Accurate timesheets. Capture and maintain precise records of employee work hours and activities. Progress monitoring. Keep a close eye on project development and individual task progress in real time. 5. Usage analytics. Use application usage insights to improve your team's tech stack optimization and visibility into its tools. Reduce cost by identifying and allocating unused licenses. Pay for only what you require. Basically, stop paying for stuff your team forgot they had. Technology usage. Utilize application usage insights to enhance your team's tech stack optimization. Cost reduction. Identify and allocate unused licenses to minimize expenses and ensure you only pay for the resources your team needs. Number 6. Employee monitoring. Track employee activities with Monitor tab. Keys rows, mouse movements, screenshots, screen recordings, audio tracking, and location tracking. It is like Big Brother, but way more chill and totally legal. Office TV. Displays real-time live screens of currently working employees. Location monitoring. Keep track of employee whereabouts and enhance security with location tracking features. Number 7. Simplified HR solutions. Digitalize HR processes effortlessly. Maintain a centralized employee directory. Manage organizational hierarchies, team management, and org chart. Basically, it is like Marie Kondo showed up and tidied your HR department. Employee profiles, all in one place for easy and efficient employee management. Organization tree. Visualize organizational hierarchies through a structured org chart, streamlining communication and reporting lines, because everyone should know who they report to. especially on performance review day. Now, in order for us to know the website, let us go back on the top, and before that, let us explore their pricing first because that is essential when you want to use TimeChamp. In starters, it is $3.9 per user per month. In professional, it is $6.9 per user per month. In enterprise, it is $13.9 per user per month. Now let us proceed to the main site and let us click Free Sign Up. Make sure to enter all the details that are needed, and when you are done filling up information, you will be directed to the dashboard. Once you have created your account and login, the next step is to add your team members. TimeJump provides a simple way to invite multiple employees at once. On the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, click on Employees, Invite Employees, enter the email address of the employees you want to invite. You can add multiple email addresses at once, separated by commas. Once added, click the Send Invites button. Employee Acceptance. Employees will receive an email invitation to join TimeChamp. They will need to click the link in the email and complete the sign-up process. Creating teams and assigning roles. After adding your employees, you can organize them into teams and assign different roles. Admin, Manager, Employee, based on their responsibilities. 1. Access role permissions. In the dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen. Go to Role Permissions under the Settings menu. 2. Assign roles. Admin, full access to all features including adding employees, creating teams, viewing all reports, and monitoring productivity. Manager, have view reports for their assigned team members but cannot edit settings or add employees. Employee can only track their own time and view personal productivity data. 3. Create teams. Go to the Teams tab under the Employees section. Click Create Team. Give the team a name, example, marketing, development, etc. Downloading TimeJump Agent. The TimeJump Agent is the tool that tracks your team's activity on their computers. It records time spent on apps, websites, and projects, giving managers and employees a comprehensive view of work activity. 1. Go to the Download page. In your dashboard, click on the Download section from the Settings menu. 2. Choose the correct OS version. TimeJump supports Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Select the version appropriate for your team's devices. 3. Choose between Interactive and Silent mode. Interactive mode. Employees can see the time tracking notifications. This mode is useful for transparency. Silent mode. Employees can see the tracking happening in the background. This mode is ideal for admins who prefer to monitor activity without user awareness. Or install the agent. Download the agent and follow the installation instructions. The process is simple and quick, ensuring employees can start tracking their time immediately. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use TimeChamp to track time and improve team productivity more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical productivity, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.